my husband is a diabetic and has been for, well, he's 70 years old and he was 15 when it was diagnosed. On top of that, he flipped a four-wheeler over on his back and he's a paraplegic. So doing dental implants didn't seem quite reasonable. One, because of his age, and two, because of the bone loss that's created by the diabetes. So we decided on just having the partial done, and that has worked very well for him. He's very pleased with it, and it seems to fit very well, and it looks very natural. He has no problem eating whatsoever, whether it's corn on the cob or steak. It has not been any problem whatsoever. He's fairly mobile from being able to transfer from his chair and that, but just getting the wheelchair through the front door. But then once we're in the office, it's all handicapped accessible. So he does very well, even if he has to use their restroom, it can accommodate him. He actually was the one who found the practice. He was having a problem with a tooth and made some phone calls. Our original dentist had given us a list of dentists that they kind of recommended, and he called a couple of them, and one of them was actually made the recommendation to call here to Dr. Despain because they couldn't get him in a reasonable amount of time. And that's how we started with Dr. Despain. And once he went to him and was pleased, had it set up for his cleaning, then I said, well, let's set up for mine. And of course, we hadn't been to a dentist for about 2 years because of COVID.